You're not lazy. Your brain is addicted to distraction, and it's happening every single day. Think about this. You sit down to work, and within seconds, you check your phone. Not because you need to, but because your brain wants something easier, something faster, something more rewarding. That's distraction, and your brain loves it. Because every time you scroll, watch, or switch tasks, your brain gets a small dopamine hit, a quick reward. No effort, no struggle, just instant satisfaction. And the more you do this, the more your brain learns. Easy is better. So when it's time to focus, real work feels painful, slow, boring, heavy. Not because it is, but because your brain is used to speed, to constant stimulation, to endless scrolling. That's why you can't focus. Not because you lack discipline, but because your brain is trained to avoid it. So how do you fix this? You don't fight your brain, you retrain it. Step 1, reduce the noise. Put your phone away, not next to you, not face down, away. Because every notification is a trigger. Step 2, start small. Don't try to focus for hours. Start with 10 minutes, no distraction, just one task. Because focus is like a muscle, it grows with use. Step 3, embrace boredom. This is the part most people avoid. Sit with nothing, no phone, no music, no scrolling, just silence. Because when your brain gets bored, it resets. And when it resets, focus becomes easier. That's the secret. Focus isn't something you find. It's something you rebuild, slowly, deliberately, every single day. So next time you feel distracted, don't blame yourself.
Understand what's happening. Your brain is chasing easy rewards, but you don't have to follow it. Because the moment you control your attention, you take control of your life.